and live and water repairing. And today the topic is how to repair max power SG2424 plus. Okay, first thing I need to tell you, this is just the brand name who assemble this board in this body and write the tag of the company. Okay, so now this name is not important. Okay, this model is important for us. Okay, I am showing you, this is just a brand, okay, who assemble this inverter. Okay, the important thing, we have a model, so the model name is SG2424 plus. Okay, and the issue we have, and this inverter is completely short circuit. Okay, and the customer try again and again to install a fuses. Okay, but we have a short circuit in the main board. Okay, so I was just remove the screws and the top core and strips and just clean this from dust. Okay, for saving your time. Now I'm sharing with you how we can troubleshoot this issue. Okay, first I need to view this live on my another device, and after that we will starting. Okay, this is just my channel, and now I need to play this live stream on my another device. Okay, so I need to see what's going on in camera. Okay, first of all I need to set the direction. Okay, it's seam, and I need to provide some good light. But when we remove, okay, after the removing the top core, we need to remove the strip from here. Okay, because we have an issue in our main board. Okay, this is the MPPT solar charge controller strip, and here we have for SCC start one here. Okay, and after that we need to remove these 6 nuts. We have 2 nuts on this MPPT solar charge controller. After that we need to remove this negative charge and this positive charge wire. Okay, so here we have one screw, and here we have for positive. Okay, after that we need to remove this wire. Okay, and just hold this. Okay, don't need to remove completely, just hold like this carefully. Okay, and after that we need to remove the main board from this inverter. So here we have us 2 strip for cooling fans. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, this fan will running on the same time. Okay, and we have the same strips. Okay, keep this protection plastic for this isolation. Okay, and now I need to remove the input neutral and input line. Okay, and this is the output line and this is the output neutral, and after that I need to remove all the screw from board. We have 5 screws on this main board. Here we have one, okay, and one we have on the center here. So that you can remove easily the main board from the body, and after that you need to keep in the body carefully. Okay, it's okay. Hey. Hey. څه مسله ده؟
دا انورټر دی، دا اواز کې دا دغه دی پیسو دا میګا دی اوازونه پورو کړی دی نه پنځېدو نه بل څه کوي او بجلی راغله نن بجلی راغله او نن دغه اواز دی کوو بجلی کوو
چې کوم تاسو ته کوم ځای نه راوړ؟ یاره اوس به نه کېږي او سبا به بیا پسې راځئ ښه مسله دنده سرکټ کوي نن مشکله کار ډېر زیات دی او زه په دې ورځو کې بیمار یم که نه یو خو ناوخته راوځم بل کار هم هغه مقدار نه شم کولی هغه دی ده نن به صبر کوئ یار اوس نه کېږي څه کېږي نه نمبر راته ووایه 19 23 څه نوم دی نن یاره که ماښام تو شو زه ورته کال وکړم که ماښام تو شو زه ورته کال وکړم اوس مې دا کول او کړلی دا کس د میلې په ورځ راوړلی او نن د خالي ورځ ده دې منځ کې نشم کولی خو ماښام تو شم زه به د کال وکړم صحیح ده دا دغه ته کېدی okay sorry Parvet but I have a workshop so the customer came and they check the inverter and we have a fault in inverter so I just received okay now we need to talk about our topic okay first I need to set the zoom but I wear a glove so my touch is not working with gloves but I am removing just for setting the camera and I need to install some remote control camera app Okay, after that we need to troubleshoot this issue quickly. Okay, now how you can troubleshoot? First of all, we have a short circuit in this DC to DC section. Okay, so this is our direction. Set your multimeter on continuity mode. Okay, and this is the DC to DC MOSFET section. This is the pin number 1 gate, pin number 2 drain, pin number 3 source. Okay, and same for this side. So keep your multimeter on the pin number 2 drain and keep the multimeter positive probe on the source. As you can see, we have a short MOSFET. Now how you can find in this parallel port, because if we have a one short MOSFET and this parallel and this parallel, so every MOSFET we in every MOSFET we have a short circuit. Now I am telling you how you can find. First of all, I need to draw some schematic diagram of this DC to DC section a little, okay? Because this is the basics how you can find. I already draw this. This is the SG2525 PWM modulator for this DC to DC section. Okay, so from on the time I just draw, okay, this is I was draw for bottom side, but the pin configuration is there. For this we have once, this is for example A side and this is B side. Okay, we have here a 4 MOSFET in parallel. Okay, first I need to draw the MOSFET bodies first. Okay, we have 4 MOSFET on one side and 4 MOSFET on another side. This is the full push topology. Okay, now here we have a pin number 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, for all this direction, and here we have pin 2 drain. Okay, this is the pin number 2 drain. I am writing, don't worry. And this is we have a pin number 3 source. Okay, pin number 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source for all this. Okay, gate, drain, source. Okay, and the number wise 1, 2, 3 for all, 1, 2, 3 for all. Okay, so here we have with these gates we have a resistance. Okay, and this we have a gate drive resistance. For all this, okay, we have a 4 resistor for one side for gate drive, and here we have like this a resistor. And now I need first to measure the resistance in this board. Okay, so after that first we need to check this resistor resistance. Okay, this is the 10 ohm resistor. Okay, so I need to teach you with basics. Okay, so here we have a 10 ohm for all. Okay, and 10 ohm here for all. So after that, this one side in the parallel, okay, and this one side in the parallel, and after that the PWM modulation coming here for one A side, pin number 11, okay, from pin 11 is coming for here, okay, this is the PWM output, okay, and another we have from pin number 14, okay, to drive this side, okay. So this is just for PWM. Now I am telling you how you can find a short MOSFET. Here we have a 10 ohm resistor for all gates, okay. So this is the same direction, okay, like this. The direction is same, as you can see, okay, same direction for MOSFETs. And now how you can find a short MOSFETs in this. First of all, you need to keep the positive probe on the source, okay, and negative on the gate. Okay, we have a 15 ohm resistance for this MOSFET, okay. Now I am telling you how you can find. And here we have a less than resistance from gate resistor. So our this second number MOSFET, this number 2 MOSFET, we have a short circuit with gate, okay, source and gate. And now we need to check this third, and we have a short circuit in this, okay. On my experience, I am saying we have just one true MOSFET in this side, okay. And after that I need to check this another with this method. As you can see, this is the true resistance of PWM control drive circuit, okay. So we have just a 3 short MOSFETs in one side, okay. So you don't need to remove this side MOSFETs, okay, because here we have a true resistance. This is the true resistance of gate drive circuit, okay. So first of all, I need to remove this 3 MOSFETs first, okay. And I need to cut this glue first because I need to remove the capacitor, this one capacitor. Cut carefully, okay. Take care of your fingers, okay. First I need to remove this capacitor. Okay, I install my favorite tape. Okay, after that set your soldering station on 450 or 480 degrees centigrade, and after that you need to solder this, okay, and melt at a time this 2-pin solders and pull down carefully with confidence, okay, no any print damage, okay. And after that I need to remove this 3 MOSFET with theory, okay. And sometime we have from gate resistor, okay. Oh, sorry man, but this does not matter. My bench is clean, no any sharp thing we have on my bench. Okay, first I am removing these 3 MOSFETs. Okay, after that we need to separate from heatsink. Okay, and already we have a clean sign for this MOSFET. Okay, but you cannot find because we had capacitor. Okay, so now I am removing this MOSFETs. Just solder this all the fin at a time. You need to melt all the fin at a time, and after that you need to keep the MOSFET body and the user or another tool. Okay, and we have a one source pin and PCB. Okay, I removed because this was broken or melted. After that I need to remove this second MOSFET. I need to keep infuser. Okay, and now I need to remove this third MOSFET, and after that I need to check again with multimeter. Okay, and now everything is fine. Okay, now I need to check the continuity light first. Okay, so this is our pin number 2 drain, and as you can see, let just wait. Okay, here is the capacitor. Okay, now we have a true continuity. Okay, for both sides. Okay, but the good thing is that if we was had a 3 true MOSFET and 1 bad MOSFET, so the good thing is that to just install 1 MOSFET, but we receive a 3 short MOSFET, so we need to remove this one. Okay, I hope you understand how you can find the true and short MOSFET in parallel, and where is the power supply used and where is the power supply used and for which component for this MOSFETs are you talking about this? First I need to rotate my another tablet to see live chat. Okay, because PSI, where is the power supply used in? The power supply is here, and sometime I need to explain everything about this board. Okay, and I know about everything how can work this inverter. Okay, so now this is not the good time, but if you are talking about this MOSFET's power supply, so the negative is coming. This is the negative. The negative is connected directly with the source pin, with this MOSFET source pin, pin number 3. As you can see, this is the negative and this is the source pin, as you can see, and this is for another side. Okay, if you was talk about this, so this is your answer. And now I need to remove this one MOSFET. And I need to replace this 4 MOSFET. Okay, Okay, now I need to clean this solder mask. On the time. Now where are you, PSI? Are you leave the live? You comment on 3:59 here, and now the time is 4:02. I give an answer on the time, man. Then why you are silent? Or you leave the live? Don't worry about the prints, okay? No any print or damage. I am soldering and desoldering with the soldering and desoldering principles. Okay. After that, we need to check our DC to AC section MOSFETs, okay, and charging system. Okay, the same direction. Okay, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. Okay, so this is our DC to AC converting MOSFETs. Okay, pin number 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source. You need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the drain, 2 and 3 on the source, and this is the true continuity of this MOSFETs. Okay, and now I need to check this 2 in the parallel. I am just checking for you. Okay, we have a short circuit in this 2 parallel. Okay, and now how you can find in this 2 parallel 1 short or the 2 is short. Okay, so like this we was had here 10 ohm. In this case we have a 220 ohm. So here just we have a 2 and 2 parallel. Okay, and now this is cut, and here we have a 220 ohm resistance. Okay, for all this. So now how you can check? So we have here a short circuit. Okay, for this and for this both we have a short circuit. Now you need to keep like previous work to multimeter. Here we have a 30 ohm resistance, and here how much we have a 448 ohm resistance. So why the multimeter is showing? Because here we have a 220 ohm. Okay, now this is, I think, the gate resistor. First I need to, okay, here some a person install a 200 ohm. Okay, but in the real we need to install a 220 ohm, but I need to first guide you. Okay, here we have for gate drive 200 ohm resistance. Okay, so here we have a resistance and here we have not. We have just a 29 ohm resistance and internal short circuit. Okay, so this is our short MOSFET in this two parallel. Okay, this is our short MOSFET. Okay, so now I need to remove on the time to teach you better. Okay, so our number 4 MOSFET from here we have a short. Okay, and you can find a short MOSFET in parallel with this method. Okay, if you have a gate resistance. Okay, and this is the rules and regulation are what you want to call, but this is the rules to install a gate drive resistor. Okay, now I need to remove this first. This is our short MOSFET. Now I'm telling you how I can find 1 2 and 1 2. Here we have to remove this MOSFET. First I need to remove this. Okay, and now I need to check again. This is our MOSFET. Okay, and now just check the method. Okay, this is our drain and this is our source. Okay, and this is our gate. As you can see, 29 at 30 ohm. Now I need to check this two parallel connection. So first we had here a short circuit and now we have not. Okay, because I remove the short MOSFET and you can find with this method. Okay, but after that we need to install a true resistor of our gate drive. Okay, the unknown person install a 200 ohm, but the real resistor of this gate drive, the true resistor, the 220 ohm. Okay, this is the value of manufacturer or designer. Okay, now we need to check another 4 MOSFETs with this method. So I had removed from here and now I need to check this, and here we have a short circuit and here we have a short circuit. So now how we can find again a one short. Okay, here we have a 500 and some ohm resistance, and here we have just a less than resistance from gate drive resistor. So we need to remove this. Okay, from here 1 2 3 4, yes, 4. From here we need to remove number 4, and now I need to check this one another on the time. Okay, this is okay, and here one have MOSFET. We have one more MOSFET to check this is true, and now we need to remove what the MOSFET. Yes, 1 2 3 4. Okay, from this side we need to remove number 4 MOSFET. 1 2 3 4. Okay, we need to remove this MOSFET. Yes, if you don't know about this technique, so you need to remove every MOSFET. Okay, but this is the good idea to find in parallel a short MOSFET. Okay, don't touch the thermopad and don't damage the thermopad. Okay, our isolator pad. Now I need to remove this MOSFET. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. And after that, we need to completely wash this circuit because the unknown person was working this. And this is the symbol of non-qualified person who write with the marker on the body, because I am also writing. First I need to install a tape, paper tape, and on the tape I am writing the numbers and some more information. Okay, and now I just keep the mobile phone number in the privacy. Okay, now I need to check you again on this direction, again this part. Okay, so here first, here we had a short circuit, and now we have a true resistance. Okay, because here we was have a short MOSFET, and already we checked this, and after that we need to check the charging section. Okay, you need to check the three parts continuity. 1, DC to DC boost section MOSFETs. 2, DC to AC converting section MOSFETs. Third, charging section MOSFETs. Okay, and bridge rectifier diode. Now how you can check the charging MOSFET section, internal resistance, and gate drive, true gate drive resistance. Okay, so this is the charging MOSFET. Okay, pin 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source. This is the pin number 2 drain, and this is the source. Okay, we have a true continuity. And now how you can check our drive control circuit is okay or not. So keep your multimeter positive probe on the pin number 3 on the source, and keep your multimeter negative probe on the gate. And here we need to have a 700 plus ohm resistance on this area. That's okay. And why we have this resistance? Because I'm telling you, this is the charging section area. So the charging modulator number is UC3843, UC3843, and this is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this is our charging MOSFETs in the parallel. Okay, source, drain, gate, drain, source. 1, 2, 3. Okay, for all this we have with some resistance connect with this pin number 5. Okay, and this is the PWM output pin, pin number 6. Okay, we have connect this with this pin with some resistance. How much? 100 ohms. 100 ohms we have a resistance from this. Okay, and this is the internal IC resistance. Okay, if I bypass a gate drive resistor, so we need to have a 600 plus ohm continuity. Okay, here we have a 743, and if I bypass this gate drive resistor, as you can see, the 646 ohm, this is the true resistance of UC3843. Okay, so this the mean is that our charging section is okay. We need to just install this two MOSFETs. Okay, so first I need to clean this solder mask. And after that we need to install a proper resistance 220 ohm for every MOSFET. Okay, and the resistance size is here 0602 0603. If you don't know about this size of this gate drive resistor, okay, and the person install I think 0803. So first I need to remove this wrong value resistor. This is the 200 ohms. Okay, and I think here we have another. Okay, here install the 200 ohms, and now I need to first clean this extra solder and install extra solder, and after that I need to clean this area to install a true size and true value resistor. Okay, after that I need to clean this and install a true resistor for this MOSFETs. We leave a lot of soldering plugs, and I need to clean this. Okay, one, and here we have a two. Okay, and I need to install a perfect size and perfect value. Okay, the size is 0603, and one thing I need to share with you, order this resistor sample book. Okay, this is the 0603 size, and you have a lot of value in this. Okay, I have a call. Hello. Alaikum salam. Ahora que le vista su archivo. Vou care mi era zis. Okay, sorry for wait, but I was giving you a tip to purchase this resistor, a lot of value with a lot of values, and if you know about what the value you are using a lot, so you need to order this in bulk. Okay, now I need to just give some solder here again. Okay, now I need a true size and true value resistor. I need a sharp user and the reflection. So I need to make a complete video studio. Okay, and I am creating, I decide I need to make electronics and video studio together, because here I am sharing my knowledge with people and I need to provide a good quality video, videography and audio systems. Okay, so I install a perfect size and perfect value for this, and now I need to just install a MOSFET for this. Okay, and after that I need to install this PC MOSFETs. No man, I'm just searching for the same number IRF740. Okay. Okay, I get a MOSFET. Now I need to check, because I have full of MOSFETs. this is not good. I need to find more because okay, I order this. I have just a pull out. This too is not true because let's check about the MOSFETs. How you can check. In every video I am sharing with you this method. First you need to keep your negative probe on the pin number 2 drain, and first you need to check the internal resistance. Okay, this is the internal resistance, and when you apply a gate voltages, so here we have, but as you can see the value is opening, so this is not the good MOSFET, so you need to throw. Okay, and after that I need to check on this, sorry, the internal resistance is okay, and as you can see the value is opening, so this is not okay. Now I need to find a long pin and okay, now I'm checking this internal resistance, and after that as you can see they hold a continuity. Okay, you can use this MOSFET. But for this operation you have a 9-volt battery in your multimeter. Okay, if you are working on like this multimeter and you have in this 3-volt battery, so you cannot charge the MOSFET gate or the IGBT gate. Okay, so you cannot check with this multimeters, you need to check with the 9-volt battery operating multimeter. Okay, okay, here I have a one IR International Rectifier Company MOSFET, and now I need to apply a gate voltages, and as you can see the MOSFET is hold a resistance. Okay, okay, now Lonnie MC Can, what's happening? Good man, everything is okay and I'm very happy in my work. خير شاكرة خير يا الكيان تشاور لي شاكرة والله سر پته نه لګي چې چا وړلې او چا نه بل مې پکا بیا مې پیچ کسي راغستې او هغه مې ساند کولې په هغې باندې بیا شکولو نو یو په مستانه دت شو
ما سار غله دغه ورکړو
په دې یو څو کسانه دت شو یو په مستانه دت شو یو په ساجد دت شو اوس مستان وای امام نه لور ساجد وای امام نه لور چا نه راځي
دا سار مې یو کس سکورای چورکو اوس تقصي حق ګرځم پس یار مرګري اوري ساجدا
مړ او زاري چالم نه ور کول کړی
خبر دا وکیرا ما اشنا کسله مور کړهو یاره ګرځم ما چاله مور کړه را بدی دغه د ورالم چې خېچ مم کړه کنه په دغه منظور سره پروت ما خدای غار کا شي زوی سو بیا راوړل کنه سړی ته خو تکلیف نه
دغه کمې خدام په خلکو کې ده Okay, sorry brother, I was talk with one person but they came in my workshop, so this is not a good thing in humanity to ignore a person. Okay, Lonnie MC Can, what's happening? What's your mean, man? I don't understand. Okay, now we need to install a MOSFET. Okay, and I am also using a pull out and original MOSFETs and IGBTs because here sometime I purchase and every time I receive a pack MOSFETs. Why man, I think first I need to install smoothly, not with force, and the screw want force, but I am not providing. I need to tight this with very freely hand. First I need to clean and check about this. What the heaven? First I need to clean this with cotton swab to install first a screw very freely. Okay, I think we have a particles of aluminum and this hole, and I think this is the reason. Okay, first I need to check some long and good screw with hand directly to know about. No, this is not the good screw. Okay, this screw is good. So first I need to install or just check the condition of this hole. But for this operation I need to this little screwdriver and I need to make an angle and tight. Oh man, that's okay now. That's okay. That's freely going on now. I need to. Okay. This is the flaw of the company because they don't think about after the selling. They just thinking about how we can assemble this, not thinking about the repairing, how the person can install and remove easily components, but they just need to money to earn money and sell products in big quantity and just earn a money and just chill. But this is not the humanity. Why they still want force, but I am not applying. Yes, now the better. It's okay. Now the turn of this second. And after that I need to check the continuity with heatsink. How I can install? You just check. How can I install a screw? Look at, man. Look at. This is the cheapest designers who designing this thing. First, when you are designing a product, first of all you need to think about the repairing, because this is not a 1 USD or 2 USD or 10 USD product. Okay, this is the expensive product, so you need to think about the repairing, to think about for us how we can repair, how we can easily repair after you earn money. You just earn, and after that people face with a lot of difficulties. Okay, now I need to solder this, and we lost a lot of time with this cheap engineering. Okay, and a person here install a jumper, not specific amps, and why they install here this component. I need to order, man, and I need to write here some things. Now I need to write this component. The component name is NSP2R. NSP. Because first time I received the blasted this, and I don't know about the name of this component. I need to just remove this to search on Google. Okay, and now what the solution for this? To install this again, I have, I think, in some circuit and my old app is okay. I remove from my APC 2001 model circuit. First I need to know about this. What is this? Is this the same component? Oh man, 47 ohm. 47 ohm resistance. Here we have how much? Only 3 ohm. This is not. Okay. Now I need to install this because this is power surge. This component is installed per surge. Okay, this is not the SPD. Okay, to provide a negative and positive. This is just connected like fuse with output line and output neutral, just to observe the surge or shock of output load and backup mode. Okay, so now I need to remove okay, I remove and I have my own. Okay, this is my board. I was purchased this in scrap, and I am also purchasing this thing in scrap because now I write this to order, but now I need now to use in this inverter, and I am also purchasing these boards in scraps for these situations. Okay, so I need to cut one this. It's okay, and this is also installed for surge. To check the continuity of this, yes, we have a same continuity, and now I need to install this. The component name is if you have a blasted sometime NSP2R 515. Okay, and I need to order this because first time I received this broken. Now I am installing here. This is and this is like a fuse, but this is not the fuse, and this is the surge protection devices. Okay, SPD. Okay, install. Just the size difference. Now I need to wash this, and but first I need to check this all drive resistors. So how I can check? First, about this drive. This gate drive resistors is connected with the SG3525 pin number 11 and pin number 14. First we need to know about this is connected with the pin number 11, pin number 14. This is connected with the pin number 11. Okay, so here we have in every gate hole 10 ohm. Okay, 10 ohm. So okay, it's good method. It's okay. Our all gate drive resistors is okay, and after that we need to check the gate to source discharge resistor resistance. It's okay, 459. Okay, we have a 20 kilo ohm resistor, 4 in parallel, and if you are checking, so you need to have a 5 kilo ohm resistance. Okay, because this 4 resistor of 20 kilo ohm are installed in parallel. Okay, and after that I need to just install the MOSFETs and clean the board. But first I need to install the MOSFET, and I need to provide a power to operate. Okay, and after that I need to clean all the main board. I need to wash. Okay, I am purchasing this pull out MOSFET. This is the same MOSFET with this. I remove this. Okay, this is the Texas Instrument, the world expensive MOSFET, and 220 package, and the number is CSD 19505 KSC, and this is the expensive MOSFET. I am purchasing this pull out MOSFET approximately 0.7 USD, and when I purchasing like this one, but this is not the good thing. Okay, this is the fresh, but this is not the good from this. Okay, so I am also using this pull out, and I am purchasing on approximately 0.7 to 0.8 USD. Okay, and I also receive good review to use this MOSFETs. This you can use this in 48 volts edge bridge topology. Okay, not in push pull. You can use this in 48 volts and 5000 watts. Okay, I'm showing you the grow watt 5000. We have a MOSFET and grow watt SPF 5000 TL, this type of MOSFETs. Okay, this CSD 19505 KSC. Okay, so first I need to check this. First I need to check this. Okay, and how you can check: set your multimeter on continuity modes and keep the multimeter negative prop on the pin number 2. And first you need to check the internal resistance, and after that you need to apply a positive voltage on gate, and after that we have here no any continuity. We have a 0 ohm resistance. Okay, we have a full continuity of 0 ohms resistance. Okay, now we need to check this like this. Apply on the gate. Okay, this too is okay. Same process. It's okay. all MOSFETs. Okay, and I need to cut this one through MOSFET because I was promised with the customer. Okay, if I receive a true MOSFET, so I am for good quality. I am cutting with you. First I need to check with you because I removed this. So okay, this is now true, but let's search or cut this like syringe in medical field. Okay, and threw in the scrap. Okay, after that I need to just clean the MOSFET pins. And now how you can clean the MOSFET pins? Man, I have a call from customer. Hello? Hello? تاسو کوم ځای کې نو دغه د ګاډي پارک کې بیا به راځئ ځي نو نه شاګرد راسره ګاډی ورته دغه د پارک کوی دی Okay, take this soldering paste, take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot. The model is SP07. Okay, or scan this code and look at what the magical thing. First you need to check the condition of MOSFET pins. Okay, and now just check the magic. Apply some this soldering paste and set your soldering iron in 350. And now just check the magic of this paste. Okay, now again for this side. Okay, now just check the pins. First I clean this. Okay, and I need to purchase 1,000 pieces of this and 1,000 pieces of IGBT, so I have not enough money for this to purchase in 1,000 pieces because the true supplier cannot give me 100 and 200 and 300 pieces of this MOSFETs. The minimum quantity is 1,000 pieces to purchase from the true manufacturer authorized dealer, and who selling 100 and 200 pieces. They're just printing on this, not the real. So this is our weakness point in repairing. This is our weakest point in repairing, to doing this thing, because this is the wasting of time, but this is our need. Now I am doing more effort with 0.8 USD. I was already paid and now I am cleaning and checking again because I am providing a good service and I don't care about I am using a pull out or new, but I need to use a good quality, okay, a good quality MOSFETs. Salam. Kami uji. Kaya ko laman niya chiton uliwas ko yun. Tasso jawara.
دي بلغت ولا الزين كان بيجي تشوفوا بيجي بلغت
ها واسمنا خير واسمنا خير سيتنج شويه بطاوه دي بختار وش دون انا
نعم شو بس فيك تسمع مسألة مسألة كانت سكر
لا لا ما قال
ده
لا
لا
ما قال अब स्टार्ट है ना स्टार्ट तो टूल इशारे लगे सॉफ्टवेयर है ना सॉफ्टवेयर ده ना सॉफ्टवेयर चिकना स्टार्ट ही है ना
और की كده ميزانة كم
انا السيتنج اكثر خلق कोई سيتنग يقولي والي रुपया اخلي है ना
रुपये बताले ना ارتناس नहीं
انا the sitting منغنالو पैसा का دا جوست مسألة بنا गया ها
بس
شير چارج किया सब टिक शेयर زمون کار زسي داش زونه टिक
ما تفتر ده كان مقصد نه
منګ A to Z ټیک نو که تمون ته یو مسله ووم نه
نو غادي بيستغواړي یو دې چې بټن کو ته سمې خبره کوي دې دنه پاتې شي بیا باندې کولاوي ان کی
اوس په حال بټنان نشته او کیږي اسانه ده ولکه دغه داخل څوک باندې کولای به مخ نه کنه دا بټن نه ټینګي دا ډیزاین شی غلط ده نو اوس په حال اون کله پیج نو اوس په ان نه الریډي
نه
تعالی ان ساتل غوړي کنه
تاسو خبره پس کې
جی
څنګه مو وایو کنه دا ځای بیټری ته شي دا ځای پرېست ضرورت نه دی بند کې ځان دې بند پروت دی دې نه بنديږي نو د دې د وجه بیا دې ټول بټنانو کې واړه کوتي و جار څه ورنه
نو اوس په حال دا بټن
ما چې
نه
به دې بټن کړی شو چې به دې کو ته کاوی باندې پیټ چې شي ورغی
نه دغه طریقه نه ده
چې واپس راکاږي چې څه ختم
او دغه طریقه نه ده او یا به سټیم راوړي بټنان براغلي بټن ورته بدلول غواړي
واپس راوړي
اوس په حال نشته اوس په حال څه دغه اوس په حال نشته بیا چې کله راتلی کنه بیا به راوړي بیا بټنان لاغلي ماډل کړی دا 1200 بیا ولا بټن دې کم چې یو ټایم باندې کیږي یو ټایم باندې کیږي کنه اوس په حال خوشاله بشم
مهرباني
خبره دې طریقې وکړو هم خوشاله
ما چې د دې دا بټن دا شي کنه
اوس په حال کې د خپل طریقې یو څه
هسپتال سره گاډي په کومل دورارم گاډي سپوز
صحیح دی صحیح بل ټایم بیا ما سره برابرېدو کې چې بټنان ناغلي وراوي وړي هغه څه به د لفحات په خاطر وته مې صحیح ده okay sorry for that but I need to give a inverter to the customer and this is very hard thing for me in the repairing to clean these pins and check the MOSFETs and straight the pins. This is very hard but I cannot have other way. The one way is that to leave this field and the one way is that what I am doing. Just I have a two way. The one way is that to leave this field, okay, but I am providing a light to people, okay, so I am preparing this with money back guarantee, okay. This is my own risk to use this pull out MOSFET because I know about the MOSFETs. Okay, the new is not working. The internal silicone material and the company is important thing Okay, so the inverter, and this side we have a same MOSFET, same number, same company, Texas. This is the TI component, Texas Instruments. Okay, okay, now I need to just install, and I am running on load. I am running load on this inverter, and after that I am giving a money back guarantee for this repairing. I am also giving, if the customer not satisfied, it, so I can give the money again to the customer. Okay, and I am responsible for this thing, to provide a good service. Other people cannot give a money back guarantee, and but I can give, because I know all about of MOSFETs and good drive circuits and air ventilation system. And 4 years I was received a 6 complaints, and I was give the money back to 6 customers just. Okay, and I am repairing every day 5 to 6 inverters. Okay, like this. But in this days my health is not good, so I am just repairing 1 or 2. Okay, now I need to install a screw. Okay, and just check on another side. We have the same company, the same number MOSFETs. Apply the required force. It's okay. And you can find this pull-out MOSFET with your luck. Okay, not available every time and for everyone. A person who just keeping for me this MOSFET. Okay, because I am also requesting to this provider, please keep this Texas MOSFETs just for me, because I need to install a good MOSFET. Okay, so I am giving a money, and every time I am doing a request to give me this, because this is, you can find this with luck here. Okay, and I am lucky. Okay, now I need to solder this. Forget one this pin. Now I need to clean this. Okay, now I need to check the continuity for this side, for PWM continuity. Okay, okay, true continuity. Okay, now I need to provide the power, and here I need to install a cooling fan for feedback. One fan I have for this strap. I don't have with this same. We have here a white, and it's not a good thing. So I'm just connecting temporary to check this with power fan, and after that I need to install this capacitor. Okay, we have already 4 capacitors. I'm just providing cooling fan feedback for this circuit. Now I need to provide a power. This is the 24-volt system, and microcoil clamp is completely damaging, 90% damage. We have just a 10% head. Okay, I'm just providing a power. Now I need to increase my punch power supply, and now I need to just turn on. Here I have a switch for this, and now I need to turn on. Okay, yes, then water is red. No any fault we have. Just check the output voltages. Here we have output neutral and output line, and just check on the single shot. Okay, this is called the knowledge and experience about your field. It's okay. So after that I need to install this capacitor and fit in the body and run the load to test this. Okay, and after that I need to off the inverter. It's okay, and after that I need to remove the power, and after that I need to, I forget this thing. Remember one thing, when you remove the power from the inverter, so you need to after that turn on the inverter to discharge the capacitor like this. Okay, now I need to remove. This is for the soft discharging. Okay, just 10-second waits. I am getting my tablets. Okay, thank you. Now I need to install this capacitor, and after that I need to wash the board. But not like previous live, okay? Just need to clean the board from all the soldering plugs. It's okay. Now I need to install this capacitor. That's very a little hard. Install man. I receive both pins. No. First I need to straight the pins. Or does a mistake. And this is very a little hard to install. Okay, the hole is open. First I need to set the hole from this side to set the distance between the one and the second hole. But first I need to remove. I have a little extra solder on this pin, and after that I need to set. Yes, that's okay. Now I need to install from this side. It's okay. Now keep your finger on this like this and get your solder and hold this finger and give some solder to your tip for temporary holding to free your hand. And after that you need to proper solder this like this. Okay, now your hand is free, so you can solder better. And after that I need to clean this. Okay, and now I need to the work of unknown person who work this, okay, with a lot of soldering plugs. And now I need to remove the soldering plugs from this areas. As you can see, he used a cheapest solder. Shaida, sorry for loud calling. I need to call a person. Shaida. Okay. He don't listen. First time I received this inverter for repairing. And the customer says, first you need to tell me the cost of the repairing the cost of repairing, I was told I have a live proof after the repairing. If you are lucky, if I receive some true MOSFET, so for one true MOSFET, I need to discount for you 0.8 USD because I am purchasing this one MOSFET on 0.8 USD. So now I need to discount how many USD? 0.8, 0.8, 16, 3.2 USD I need to discount with this person, okay, because I was promised. And now I need to completely wash with brush, and now I need to keep some cloth for this because for my bench safety. And now I need to keep something to flow this liquid on this side. And this is the teeth brush. I used this for teeth approximately 3 to 4 years, and now I am using this because this is the good thing to clean like this dirty works. And I am cleaning with teeth brush, and after that you need to check, you need to look at. As you can see, a lot of carbons and everything is falling down. And unluckily, I have some. Don't worry, I have some in my bag. What you can call this gallon? What is this? What package of this? What the name of this? 0.91 liter. What the name of this thing, man? Tell me. I have a four person are watching my live stream, and I need to learn the name of this thing. What the name I can call in English to this? Like this I am calling a bottle. So what name I can call? Okay, now I need to wash with this area completely. First I need to set in the camera. And this is the teeth brush. I have some soft brush, but this is not the soft brush working. This is like the teeth. You are cleaning your teeth. A little hard brush. So I need to clean this with a little hard brush. Okay. Now I completely wash all the main board. And I forget again to wear a mask, but it's done. It does not matter. But matter, man, why not matter? My health is not good in these days because here is a autumn season. Here we have a 4 season, and now is the autumn, and as you can see now the board condition, and now I need to quick dry. And after that I need to clean my bench with this cloth, and I need to throw out keep an outdoor, okay, not through. I have some outdoor area with my workshop. This is my area without, I am calling outdoor. Why? Now I am indoor with some transparent glasses frame for blocking the cold air. Okay, now I am drying. Okay, and after that you need to look the board. This is the conformal coating we have a little on the board, but I don't need to remove this because our board is now okay. Okay, I need to just dry this on the time. And this is not the conductive thing, okay. A liquid I use, this is not the conductive thing, okay, but we need to dry. This is the good thing to dry. Okay, I dry, and now check very perfectly like new. Okay, I check my soldering. Okay, everything is perfect now. Now we need to just install in the body, and I need to run a load on this inverter. So first I need to little clean my bench because I have a lot of tools on my right side, at my right side, or on my right side. I am not an English speaker, so I don't know about more for English. I am providing some hot air on this area because, okay, here we have some dust and carbon, and I need to remove this. Okay, now the board is completely clean. Now I need to just fit this in body. Okay, so this is our body. Carefully fold again and keep this on the side, and after that you need to know about the direction of board, and after that you need, oh man, sorry, carefully I don't need to more torque in this situation. Okay, but I am responsible for all my action and all the reaction for this live stream action, and I can afford a new board for this user if I lost. Okay, now we need to install a screw. We have all screw in one box, and this is the good thing. Okay, first I need to keep this plastic isolator, and after that I need to install a screw on this main board. Don't tight, just a little install. Three. Here we have 4, and here we need to install a 5th. So 1 tight, 2 tight, 3 tight, 4 tight, 5 tight, and after that I need to install first this MPPT solar charge controller carefully. Okay, and after that I need to install a nuts of this. So we have just a 2 nuts from manufacturer, and I am also receiving just a 2 nuts. They're saving a 2 nuts and compromise on just 2 nuts. One is here. Okay, now I need to connect this MPPT strip here again. Okay, and one step here for SCC start. Okay, and here we have a 2 strip for cooling fan. The one is here, I remove from here, and if you install here, so it does not matter. And one from here I need to like this. I need to install, and this is our input line, so I need to install, and sorry, this is our input neutral, blue bar neutral. Okay, and neutral I need angle tweezer because I was done a mistake. First I was need to install this connectors, and after that I need to install this MPPT solar charge controller. That is what's done. So now I need to just push. Okay, and I connected successfully, and this is our line. This is our input line. So here is our input line connector. Now this is our output neutral. So I need to install an output neutral. It's okay. And this is our output line, brown. So I install here an output line. Okay. After that I need to set this, and after that I need to connect this wires. Okay, so first I need to install the positive. Okay, here as you can see, tight this with like valve, okay, because this is for high current, so you need to tight this perfectly. Keep the big first one, and after that install a screw, and you need to this tight like this with valve force, okay, and after that we connect all the things. Okay, now I need one thing I forget. I need to remove this fuse circuit, because the user are try again and again to install a fuses. Okay, so first I need to remove this circuit, and you can remove this from here. Here we have one screw, okay, and one we have here. This is not the good thing to get a chance to the user to install a fuse, because they don't know about what the situation inside, and they're trying again and again to install from outside the fuses and check. They get just one fuse to check this, and also I am receiving like this. So this is not the good thing from manufacturer to give a chance to install a fuse from outside. Okay, as you can see, the customer remove the one fuse and try to install fuse, and finally we receive this, as you can see. So now I need to remove this thing for good repairing, because I am never compromising on thing. The issue just I have, we are living in the among mean we are living in the center of mountain hills and rivers, okay, and this is the difficulties for me to do my work. So now I need to remove this, and I am operating hold solder hold a circuit with the strength of positive wire. First I need to provide heat for some time to melt a solder. Oh man, I need more heat. Oh man, it's hard to remove. I need to keep and user, and I need to apply some force from here. Okay, I remove like dentist removing the teeth. Okay, so now I need to remove this solder mask solder. And now the issue is that we have a long lengthy positive wire. First I need to hold this like this, and after that I need to remove this solder. this solder again and again. Okay, now I get. Okay, now the issue is that I have not like this. So what I need to do with this, I have this, and now I need to make this like this. So first I need to straight this, and after that I am thinking about, and I need to decide what I need to do this to make like this. Is this possible or not? First I need to decide this. The one thing is possible to cut this PCB, but this is not the good thing. So what I need to do with this? Oh man, this is the very difficult thing for me. We have an important area here cut, so I am trying to cut this with scissor or scissor, what? But you need to understand, first I need to cut this with this. It's okay. And now I need to cut this area. But I lost this thing. So now I need to remove this or broke this. And now I need to cut this extra things. Okay. And now I need to write this to order for next time. Oh man, I think this thing is very difficult to make. Oops. First I need to set this, and after that, oh man, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here. Anyone have a solution for this thing to guide me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And now I need to try. But I have a soldering experience, so I am a little confident. I have. So now I need to push more because I need to cut, but this is not the good thing. So first I need to cut this more. are good adjusting. Yes, now I need to cut from this side. It's okay. And now I need to again try to make this thing, but I have a still issue in installing. So the solution is that to order this thing for next time, but for now I need to set this for this time. Oh man, we have okay. The final thing is that that's okay. I think now this is the challenge for me to install better, but okay. I need to don't give up or this thing. If I cannot with this, I have a soldering knowledge. I can solder this without this pins. Okay, but I need to install this thing. No, 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 no. This is a little tallest from other, a little tallest from others. So the best solution I think for this, I have finally I have to just bend another and cut from here and bend this on this area. Okay, and after that I need to cut some metal from here. Okay, and after that I need to just check I am installing like SMD, not in depth, because I cannot to install in depth. Now I have again issue. I need to fix this. So I am bending this more with sharp degree or 90 degree. So I am trying again. I think now I bend this on better degree, and after that I need to cut. Okay, to cut and solder this better. Now this is the perfect with others, and now I need to remove some solder, some green mask from here for better soldering, like SMD soldering. And on this time I need to write, but I'm writing to purchase. I don't know about this name, what the type and what the model and what the specification, but I need to take a picture and search on Google and know the name and order this. But just okay. And no anyone commenting me to teach me about the component's name or other things name. This is your weakness because you are ignoring my questions. Okay, now I'm just soldering, but first I need to hold this and something perfectly like this. So I am setting this, and I need to keep something to this wire. Yes. Oh man. Okay. Okay, now I am soldering this. Extra solder I need to remove. This is the SMD. Yes. So first I need to give a solder on this side. Okay, and after that I need to keep diffuser. Okay. Now I need to keep this like this. Okay. And this is the final solution I have. Not on the good position. First I need to provide some solder to my soldering tip. Now I need to set this, and I need to do somewhere to melt a solder, to move, little move. Yes. Sir. Okay. Finally I install this, and now I need to better solder this. Okay. Now I need to solder this area. It's okay. Now this is our freezer. Check this. We have a little tallest, but good. First I need to check this with fuse. Temporary. Yes, we can install a fuse. We have approximately 1.2 mm 1.2 mm difference from others. What is does not matter, we can install a fuse perfectly. Okay, so this is important for us. Okay, and now I need to push all these connectors, fuse connectors, for better connections, and I need to install a new SAM ampere fuses, and I need to install in the body. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3 with good contact, 4, and this is our final 5th. Okay, this fuse is little tallest from others, and the reason is that okay. Okay, after that I need to keep this, I highlight. Okay, and after that I need to throw this in scrap and install quickly. Oh man, it's okay. Now I need to install. First I need to this wire. Okay, and this is the direction of this Gucci Armani Ponce de Leon. Okay, now I need to install this core again, and after that okay, the fuse circuit is installed. Okay, now I need to just connect the positive wire. Tight. Okay, and now I need to check with this wires first. Okay, need to install my switch. And this is my switch. Turn on. Okay, it's okay, and water is running. Now I need to turn off. Okay. Now I need to install a top core of this inverter. This is the switch panel. So the better thing is that first we need to install the LCD strip. After that we need to install the LED panel strip, and after that we need to install the switch panel strip. And after that we need to close the top core and check the load. Okay, turn on. It's okay. Now I need to provide AC power. Okay. Don't okay. We receive the AC power. Okay. Yes. We are receiving the charging voltages from this. As you can see, this is the inverter connectors. We are receiving the 29.2 volts per charging. Okay. Okay. Now I need to just run a load. First I need to install some screw on this. One here. Okay. And now I need to connect the DC power supply of 100 amps and 12 volts per one battery, and 100 amps and 12 volts for another battery, because I have a small lead acid batteries for this inverter. So I was connected the 100 amps and 12 volts power supply with one battery and one with another battery. First I need to provide AC power to my power supplies. Okay, I connect the one. वार टाइम लायो बस यार परून 46 घंटे अपडेट शो 46 घंटे टोटल 604 जब 55 गिन खाते हम 604 परून 571 नन 604 زما یې بالکل زما بلوس 46 घंटे یو ویلا یو کاونټ شو دا غینه بعد بیا 20 घंटे نور ویلا نږدې ده او کې 163 سبسکرایب نو اوس په دې کې پته لګی چې راشه تو ګور مړه دا ور یز د دوی پیمان بجنه کې بیا دوی سم وایي کنه مړه موسم خراب دی دوی له مړه دا بابا بچت ول دي ختم کړه مړه دا بچت والا خلک دي کوم بچت دا دغه چې ورسې بیا چې دا شي مړه چې سیټ بیک اپ ور کوي ځنه بس بیو نه ده هوتل اړ چې سیټینګ ورو ګور کنه په دغه حساب نه سیټ اپ برابر کړ پیسې دی اله ګوره پیسې دی اله پیسې ستا حق دی هر هغه حساب کتاب چې کنه هغه
نو سره راي په دې باندې کې ویډیوز ته هغه تاسو ما ولا دې ساجي ته راوړم ما
سم سره ده
ما ته یو خرڅول غواړم
ها
کسانه کې ته کسانه کې هغه دې ورکوم
هغه ته راي وړ کې د ساجي سره کې د بیا کمال کا کړه کا غل راغی
صحیح ده
صحیح ده okay I am just providing I have not a cable I was cut a cable so now I just connect with this now I need to provide to another supply okay sound you listening and now
صحیح ده لازم د چا سشته نه نو خبره
صحیح ده زیرو سره وزي okay now I am just connecting with batteries and power supplies okay first I need to connect my battery connectors okay with this inverter power supply now I select the 24 volts okay and after that I need first to off my switch okay and now I need to connect the load and I created this with my load but we have a little connectors now let's check man the manufacturer or this brand is saying that max power MPPT solar charge not at okay model SS SG2424 PLUS at okay PV input the best operating voltage is range 32 volt DC wow man how you can charge the 24 volts battery with the best 30 to 32 volts PV 50 amps nominal operating voltages 30 to 80 volt DC AC output now the thing is here maximum output current 13 amps now I am showing you some other with compare this 13 multiplied by 230 volts it's mean 2990 watts oh man now get one new and uncover from box and run and here what this company doing man no any power factor here mentioned. Okay, and one side they said maximum output current 13 amps. Okay, and here they said power 2400 volt ampere and 1600 watts. Here they finally come to the logic. Power factor 0.667, not per power factor 1 like heaters, speedometer, and halogen bulbs. This is the power factor 1 devices like bulb, filament. Okay, this is the power factor 1 device like induction power factor 1. They said you can run a 1600 watts, but the power factor is 0.667. Now what is the power factor? I am removing my camera. This is the power factor game. Now I am using 0.9 power factor, and here are the watts. As you can see, 1480 something in 8 amps. This is the power factor game. Okay, now I need to keep my mobile again in my stand. It's okay. So now I am running on this some load. Okay, first I need to connect. They said a 13 amps and the connector, as you can see on this connector, 13 amps. This is the wire install and the installer. Yeah, man, what the electricity answered. Some people are insulting this beautiful electricity. Now first I need to connect with the neutral in the line. It's okay. It's okay. And now I need to set on the best direction. Now I'm just connecting on this device. In your experience, how many load I need to connect on this inverter? This is luck. Oh, first I need to keep on the side to show you 1000 watts and 2000 watts we can run on this heater. Okay, we have our two filaments, and this heater 1000 watts one and 1000 watts of another. Okay, so first I need to turn on the inverter. Okay, and now I I just run 1000 watts, and let's check the electron is positive coming here. 53, where the meter? 55 amps, and okay, 52, 53. Okay, how much the load in the inverter? First I need to set. They cannot show the load. Yes, they can. This is the 67% load. 67% load. Okay, the ear is first I need to remove my one glove to sense the hot air is outgoing from the inverter or cool, and how many watts. 1.08 kVA, but this is the power factor 1. Okay, the power factor 1, because we have a heater filament, and you know about, and on the trail base I need to add some more load with this. Yes, man, I connected 400 watts more, and oh, my input breaker is tripped, and now I need to connect. Wow. Now I need to restart my power supplies. Okay, now I am turning on again the inverter. Lock the amps. Okay, okay, now we have 81 amps. Okay, and how many watts? 95% load. 1.2, 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, no kilovolt ampere, because the power factor 1 devices is connected, and the inverter is still running on, and no any hot air I am receiving. It's mean it's perfectly done. Okay, oh. Okay, everything is okay, everything is fine. Now I need to turn off the inverter. Okay, and now first of all I need to close all the screw on this inverter, and I need, this is the user icon of output line, so I need to connect this again with perfect Oh man, the wire is very low quality. We have first I need to solder this. I was targeted my soldering station on 480 degrees centigrade, and this is the bad thing for soldering iron or soldering stations. Don't forget your soldering station and 480 degrees centigrade. And after that I need to connect this wire properly, and this area, this is the output line, and people are also using here a combined neutral. Okay, now this is perfectly connected, as you can see. No any copper, we can see without any insulation. Okay, so now I need to close the screws and look at the inverter condition, man. And after that I need to repair a one lithium battery in live stream. Okay, but the time is not perfect for this operation because the lithium batteries is dangerous thing, so I need to repair tomorrow a lithium battery because now the time is here 6:20 p.m. and all the cells is unbalanced, and I need to balance a 15 cells manually with power supply, and I need to maintain everything of the battery. So this time is not good for the battery. I have some more inverters to repair. So I am coming live back again with another live title because this video title is just suitable and good for this inverter. Okay, because if a person search in YouTube how to repair a max power SG2424, so this is the easy way to repair. Okay, and I run a 1.6 kilowatt on this. Okay, but with the power factor 1, not with the power factor 0.667, because this is the competition game in the market. And what about this screw? I need to install from my test screws. I need to install one better screw for this because I receive one screw. It's okay. I need to install one another, but this is very unique screws here. because I need to install inside on the MOSFET. So here I am installing from my side one more screw. Okay, and now this topic is going to close, and I am writing a money. I was done with this customer. Approximately I am converting the currency. I am also converting in the middle of repairing. Okay, so I am just converting. I was done at 15.08 USD. Okay, now I need to less 0.8. It's mean 1.6, 1.6, 3.2 minus 3.2. So I need to charge 11.887 USD. So I need to multiply with our currency 205. So I need to charge this. First I need to write okay, and after that I need the first negative. Okay, and like 15.8 USD, and now negative no, minus 3.2 USD. So I need to charge 11.887 USD. In our currency I need to charge 3.87. Okay, because I was promised. Okay, this topic is now closed. Then I am coming live back again with another topic and with another inverter to repair. Okay, take care and see you soon again.